Sierra, weather at 1700 Zulu, wind 070 at 8, visibility 25, few clouds at 2000, few clouds at 6,700, 22,000 scattered, 25,000 overcast, temperature 10, dew point 6, altimeter 3020, IFR approach to ILS for visual, runway 08 left and runway 08 right. Simultaneous, parallel, approaches in use. Departures, runway 08 right. Visual, departure, separation, procedures, in effect, NOTAM, taxiway departures, runway 08 right. Visual, departure, separation, procedures, in effect, NOTAM, taxiway Mike closed between taxiway Mike 1 and Romeo. Caution, VFR traffic operating 7 miles west of Vancouver International at 1,000 feet. Inform ATC that you have information Sierra. Vancouver International, information Sierra, weather at 1700 Zulu, wind 070 at 8, visibility 25, few clouds at 2,000, few clouds at 6,000, visual, runway 08 left and runway 08 right. Simultaneous, parallel, approaches in use. Departures, runway 08 right. Visual, departure, separation, procedures, in effect, NOTAM, taxiway Mike closed between taxiway Mike 1 and Romeo. Caution, VFR traffic operating 7 miles west of Vancouver International at 1,000. Visibility 25, few clouds at 2,000, few clouds at 6,700, 22,000 scattered, 25,000 overcast, temperature 10, dew point 6, altimeter 3020. IFR approach is ILS for visual, runway 08 left and runway 08 right. Simultaneous, parallel, approaches in use. Departures, runway 08 right. Visual, departure, separation, procedures, 08 left and runway 08 right. Simultaneous, parallel, approaches in use. Departures, runway 08 right. Visual, departure, separation, procedures, in effect, NOTAM, taxiway Mike closed between taxiway Mike 1 and Romeo. Caution, VFR traffic operating 7 miles west of Vancouver International at 1,000 feet. Inform ATC that you have information Sierra. Vancouver International, information Sierra, weather at 1700 Zulu, wind 070 at 8, visibility 25, few clouds at 2,000, few clouds at 6,700, 22,000 scattered, 25,000 overcast, temperature 10, dew point 6, inform altimeter 3020. Vancouver International, information Sierra, weather at 1700 Zulu, wind 070 at 8, visibility 25, few clouds at 2,000, few clouds at 6,700, 22,000 scattered, 25,000 overcast, temperature 10, dew point 6, altimeter 3020. See that you have information Sierra. Vancouver International, information Sierra, weather at 1700 Zulu, wind 070 at 8, visibility 25, few clouds at 2,000, few clouds at 6,700, 22,007, ILS or visual, runway 08 left and runway 08 right. Simultaneous, parallel, approaches in use. Departures, runway 08 right. Visual, departure, separation, procedures, in effect, NOTAM, taxiway Mike closed between taxiway Mike 1 and west of International at 1,000 feet. Vancouver International, information Tango, weather at 1800 Zulu, wind 070 at 9, visibility 25, 2,700 scattered, 6,700 scattered, 22,000 broken, 25,000 overcast, temperature 11, dew point 6, altimeter 3018. IFR approach is ILS for visual, runway 08 left and runway 08 right. Simultaneous, parallel, approaches in use. Departures, runway 08 right. Visual, departure, separation, procedures, in effect, no time, taxiway height, slowly, taxiway height, 1, and radio. BFR, traffic, operating, 7 miles, west of Vancouver International at 1,000 feet. Reporting Vancouver International, information Tango, visual, departure, separation, procedures, in effect, no time, taxiway Mike closed between taxiway Mike 1 and Romeo. Caution, VFR, traffic, operating, 7 miles, west of Vancouver International at 1,000 feet. Inform ATC that you have information Tango. Vancouver International, information Tango, weather at 1800 Zulu, wind 070 at 9, visibility 25, 2,700 scattered, 6,700 scattered, 22,000 broken, 25,000 overcast, temperature 11, dew point 6, altimeter 3018. IFR approach is ILS for visual, runway 08 left and runway 08 right. Simultaneous, parallel, approaches in use. Departures, runway 08 right. Visual, departure, separation, procedures, in effect, no time, taxiway Mike closed between taxiway Mike 1 and Romeo. Caution, VFR, traffic, operating, 7 miles, west of Vancouver International at 1,000 feet. Inform ATC that you have information Tango. Vancouver International, information Tango, weather at 1800 Zulu, wind 070 at 9, visibility 25, 2,700 IFR, 6,000 feet ILS for visual, runway 08 left and runway 08 right. Simultaneous, parallel, approaches in use. Departures, runway 08 right. Visual, departure, separation, procedures, in effect, no time, taxiway Mike closed between taxiway Mike 1 and Romeo. Caution, VFR, traffic, operating, 7 miles, west of Vancouver International at 1,000 feet. Inform ATC that you have information Tango. Vancouver International, information Tango, weather at 1800 Zulu, wind 070 at 9, visibility 25, 2,700 scattered, 6,700 scattered, 22,000 broken, 25,000 overcast, temperature